Okay, Harlan has discovered she knows how to kick blankets off really well. So I thought we would show you how well she kicks blankets off. uh. Don't you like having blankets on your little toes? Keep those nice little toes warm. Keep those cute little toes warm. Uh. Oh, really? You gonna stay warm under there? Huh? You gonna make Mama out to be a lie? Huh? Yeah, you are? You gonna kick that blankie off? You gonna leave it on? Yeah, you tried, ain't you? I think you got a hold of it somewhere. You got a hold of it? Where's the other hand? Peekaboo! Oh, you want me to put it back on? Here you go. Here, and your monkey. He's such a mean old baby. You know that? You're so mean to Mama sometimes. I can't keep your toes warm. You won't let me keep your toes warm. I love you. You love Mama? Yeah, you love Grandma? Okay, I won't put the banky on you no more. Yeah, you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.